Let's see how we can actually create external tables in Hive. So here I have created a database called users, and in the users database I'm going to create an external table. The command is create external table, and you give the external table name. So I'm just going to create user table, and then you specify the column names. Okay, so before that I just want to go through. I have a file here which actually gives you some information, got some data. So fs minus cat. So context.csv is a file that contains a bunch of records. So the first column is an integer, second is a string, and third is a float. So I'm just going to create, so this I'm just going to consider the user ID, this is the username, and this is going to be an age. So I'm just going to define that. So for example, then user ID is integer, then username is string, and then age is float. Okay, since it's a typical CSV file, so I'm just going to assume all the default parameters. So row format, delimited, fields terminated by, since it's a CSV, so fields are terminated by commas, lines are terminated by /n, then it is stored as text file. And what is the location of this? So the location of this file is here. And then you execute the command. So Hive will actually go and create an external table for this. And then right now we actually created the user table. So let's do a select star from this table, select star from user table. So right now it actually gives you all the four records that you can actually see it from here. All the four records is here. So the one way to actually see whether you have created the table correctly is to say describe use table. So this actually gives you all the column names and the data types. If you want to have what are the table properties you have, if you want to see what the table properties are, you can actually do show create table, then you specify the user table, then it actually gives you a bit more information rather than the schema. For example, actually tells you whether the fields are delimited, where is the location of this table, and stuff like that. So this is very, very important. So right now I'll just go, since it's created in the users database, so I'll just do Hadoop fs minus ls slash data slash bit. So here is my users.db. So I'm just going to probe that. So it doesn't have anything because this one actually stores all the internal tables. So I'll see you in the next video.